Hello everybody and welcome to another ride on the MT-01. Thought I'd bring you along for the commute home. And why not? Just see what happens. Well, again, it ain't raining, which is good. Where are you going? Thank you very much. Just put that in front of me there, mate. There's no point in peeping. He saw me, probably heard me as well, but didn't look at me until he was actually on the roundabout. Prat. Fiddling with his phone. On the way home, I've got to pick up some stickers. We all love a sticker, don't we? So run out of those. I got a little place that I go to on the way home. And they charge a very nice, a reasonable amount for a good quality sticker. So we'll pick those up. If you do want some stickers, please let me know. I'll put an email address to message me. Send me your address and I'll bung them in the post and hopefully they'll get to you. I have had some issues with Royal Mail, probably because it can't read my handwriting. I do love the noise of this bike. I'd be really interested if Yamaha were to build something similar in the future, but I don't think they're going to do that. There was never enough demand for the MT-01 when it originally came out, especially in the UK. Did better in Europe, I think, or across Europe. It's amazing how many viewers and subscribers that I have are from across the pond who would love to see this bike in America, but never went there. I mean, I don't really understand that because, you know, big cruiser engine in a street bike, I thought that would have done really well. There was a bigger YouTuber who actually rode the MT-01 in America. He managed to get his hand on one and he loved it, and I think his views are similar to mine. I'll put a link around somewhere, go and check him out, check out his video, because yeah, it is a good bike and it made sense even more in America than it probably did in Europe. But there we go. Some learnerage. Give your learners respect. Give them a nod. They're still bikers. They're the future. The future motorcyclists. In this little business estate. Pickers Paradise, they were on Bargain Hunt once. This name's to fame here. Right, if I remember where they are, I think they're a bit further up. Next one along, I believe. Funky Labels, there we go. On gravel, with of all things. Ah, she's a beast. I do love her. Let's check. Always like to check the oil temperature. 60, that's not much, is it? Let's go and see if I can get my stickers. Nope, you're being... Shall I let you know? Cheers. Thanks. So, that's my stickers. There we go. Look at those. 24 of those bad boys. Probably need some more, but for now, this will do. So we'll just stick that in my bag. Can't never do anything without taking my gloves off. Let's chuck them in there. Check I'm still recording. Okie dokie. Oh, these gloves are nice and warm. This sort of temperature, they're fine. It's when it gets a little bit colder. Across the treacherous gravel. Never like bloody gravel. Right, there we go. Bop, bop. There we go. That's my stickers got. So anyway, if you want some stickers, I can probably only really cover the local sort of UK at the moment. If I get enough demand for other stickers or elsewhere, I'll look into it. And on that note, on that incredibly exciting note, I'll say see you later. Give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Tom's TC.